The cello has been waiting for a revolution for 400 years. Now is the time. The time for MyCello. The first cello printed on a 3D printer. It combines tradition and modern technology. MyCello has everything a classical wooden cello does and so much more. Having a wooden cello is great, but its volume is not for everybody.
Be quiet!
That's why you need MyCello. MyCello has a very quiet acoustic sound, and thanks to its unique body, you can practice it at any time without bothering your neighbors. Or you can just connect it to speakers and become a star of any big concert hall. Adjusting the end pin of a regular cello is not very practical. MyCello has the same construction, but you don't have to stand up to adjust the length of the end pin. Tuning a regular cello takes time. MyCello can make your life so much easier. You can tune the strings with a few quick movements. It's a real game changer. When playing the regular cello, you might knock down your sheet music with a bow. But we thought about your comfort. There's a practical bow holder right on MyCello's body. There's also a phone holder where you can have your digital sheet music. Thanks to its material and smart design, MyCello is perfectly portable, lightweight, and compact. So you can even ride a motorbike with it. The regular cello is very bulky. MyCello fits into every car.
Jo, ale jako vlastnosti to má jako normální cello, že v podstatě není potřeba se na to nějak učit speciálně.
To fakt hraje, i když to není zapojený.
A padne jako ulité.
To má i dozvuk.
Jo.
Ty kráso. Tak myslím, že jsem si právě usmířila sousedy.
Ale tak tohle je jako dobrá věc, že si můžu nastavovat výšku pod C a zároveň u toho sedět.
Jako já jsem se docela zamlouvala, když mi bylo 6, jo? A teď znova.
MyCello can be louder than a regular wooden cello. MyCello has the same string system, neck shape, and construction features as a regular cello. Just start playing. No need to learn anything new like with other electric cellos. We make it on a 3D printer, so it can be tailored to everyone's needs. We do not want to replace the classical cello. We just want to upgrade it to fit the 21st century. Join the music revolution and order your MyCello on Kickstarter.